Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
Today I will discuss a unique and beautiful flower commonly visited by butterflies and honeybees. The name of the flower is summer lilac. It is also known as butterfly bush. It beautifies homes and gardens. The flower has a large amount of nectar and its fragrance resembles honey. That is why butterflies and honeybees love visiting the flowers regularly. It should not be confused with common lilacs because of having similar names and features. The flower is commonly available in maroon, pink, white and red shades. The small flowers form a tight cluster resembling hanging corn or cones. Colorful cones of flowers hanging around the plant are attractive. The center of the flower is always dark yellow or orange. That is why it is also called the orange eye. The summer lilac is a large-sized shrub that grows 8 to 12 feet. That is why grow it in a large-sized container or pot. It needs 8 hours of direct sunlight. These bushes need regular water to grow in the first year after planting. Fertilize this plant with granular rose or garden fertilizer in early spring, late spring and early summer. Spray the bushes with insecticidal soap. Try to avoid pesticides because they will kill visiting butterflies and bees. A single cluster of flowers contains almost 40,000 seeds. It produces flowers throughout its lifespan of up to 30 years. That is why remove the flowers from the plant after a week to 10 days of blossoming. You can propagate this plant with seeds or roots, but the easiest method is by cutting or transferring a piece of the mature plant into the soil and letting it grow. This plant needs pruning, so remove its large bunches during the fall months. Don't grow it in open spaces because it may hamper the growth of other plants. It is easy to grow and has light maintenance, but closely monitor it so that it may not spread in a wild manner. To enjoy the scenario of beautifully colored butterflies coming to complete the ecosystem of your garden, I will suggest you grow this plant.
Thanks for watching.